Johannesburg water is rated among the cleanest, safest and healthy water in the world. But looking at Juskei River current condition, it doesn't reflect that. As South Africans' main source of water come from the rivers, what are the plans to change the current situation?
CWP is a government program. In full, it's community work program. CWP is what we call a net program, whereby it assists the poor of the poorest to work within their community, helping their community. Then the government stipend them for the work that they are doing within the community. We managed to at least clear most of the inner part because we find that water is stuck because of the rubble that is inside, which caused a juskei to stink.
Ama problems esihlangabezana nawo la sithola abantwana sithola amasimba sithola izilwane eziningi ezifele la zikhukhulwa amanzi from la zibuya khona.
So we at least cleared so that it can flow. But however, you also need some chemical materials to help also to prevent diseases for those who are volunteering to work there, because we also need to think of the safety of the volunteers and their health as well. So when we started, we found there was no water booths and people need to get inside the river and take out the rumble. We don't have proper resources to drag some of the rumble that was inside, including futures of aborted babies. As the CWP, it's only to help the pick it up and just the earthwork team in terms of sweeping and collecting the waste that is thrown within the streets, and then we put it into refuse bags and put it for the pick it up trucks to come take it to the pick it up waste depot. However, the first challenge is that residents seems not to be aware what time do the truck come to pick up the waste, because after we are done cleaning, let's say 8, 9 in the morning, around 11, 12, there will still be residents that are taking out their dustbin, their waste plastic, refuse bags to the street, whereas there won't be anyone at that time to go collect those things to the waste depot.
Madam sighting, like njengobubona. Sihlangana nama challenge afana nokuthi balahlela amapampasi anamasimba wabantwana, balahlela amagundwani, balahlela izinja, sithola izinto nje ezingasenza ukuthi nje abantu bethu bagule nje. Lapho mayiqeda ukudlula futhi bayalahla, but bayibonile itraka idlula.
CWP, Shumang, Joseph Dweck are actually trying to bring change in our community, and we appreciate the work they're doing, Alex. CWP has been there. In fact, the program of cleaning juskei and the streets was started by CWP, which they're doing a sterling job, I can tell you. Whenever we councillors need them to go assist, they are always there. When we clean our streets, they're there. When we ask them to just clean a house of an old person or a senior citizen, they are there. When we ask them to go buy juskei, they are there. And they come across a lot and a number of things.
Besmitana now like juskei bewahard benza ukuthi umuntu alele ane trauma trauma. At the end of the day mawuthi yolala u affectwa ama germs. Bese umuntu uyagula affectwa ilawo ama germs. Mawuqeda lapho mawugula i-CWP ayikusizi nganext. Mawufile ufile.
Sicabanga ukuthi solution esingaba nayo ukuthi basisizane ne community si-assistane in terms of singene nasemajaritini si-educate abantu.
Amongst other things of the suggestions we sent to the Department of Water and Sanitation was to say, we see economy by juskei. Some people might be seeing juskei as a monster, which at times when it's angry, it sweeps shacks and people and cars and everything. But you see, if you start thinking along the lines of economy, we can create a beachfront, we can rehabilitate the river, direct the water where it goes and how it should go.
Water is freely available from the natural water cycle, but mostly in South Africa, rivers are polluted and contaminated. So how to be a water-wise citizens? Use water carefully and not waste it. Do not pollute rivers with liquid and solid waste. Lastly but not least, take action to solve any water problems.